Hello, David here, and the project for today is detailing the interior of my car. I do this once a year, but I live in the Pacific Northwest. I suppose if I lived in a hot, sunny environment, I might do this twice a year, but I get good results doing it once a year. We don't get much sun out here. And if you keep your car for only 3 or 4 years, you probably don't need to do this, but I keep my cars for 20 years. And I'm always amazed when people get in my car when I'm reaching the end of its life at 20 years and they remark on how new the car looks. And that's because I use this protectants on the interior. Now the Meguiar's vinyl rubber protectant I use on the exterior plastic because that's what it's made for. The Armor All I use on the interior plastic. And I don't promote any particular brands. These are the ones I happen to have. I think Armor All was the first on the market with a protectant for vinyl. But I'll use any brand. I'm not that picky. The reason why I have to do this is because vinyl has a plasticizer in its compound which keeps it soft and pliable. Age, sunlight, ultraviolet rays removes that plasticizer, and that's why older vinyl is brittle and loses its color. It's because of that. So this protectant is supposed to restore the plasticizer into the pores of the vinyl. That's the way I understood it, but I have over 20 years of experience. I probably have 35 years of experience using these protectants, and I think they work great. So these formulas come in matte or glossy finish. Use whatever you prefer. I kind of prefer the glossy finish. I think it makes the vinyl look newer. Also, be sure not to apply it to any control surfaces. It may cause an accident because the stuff makes the vinyl slippery. So you don't put it on the gas pedal, you don't put it on the brake pedal, nor the clutch pedal. Don't put it on your steering wheel. And I don't put it on the seats because I don't want people sliding around on the seats. And also after you apply it, it has kind of a wet feel until it kind of soaks in. So I try to do it at a time when I'm not going to be using the car much. I use a cloth rag to apply it, and I do reuse the rag, but before I put it in the washing machine, I hand wash it with some laundry detergent just to get as most of that chemical out as I can, because I don't want to mix it in with my undies. So in large areas such as this, I just spray it over the surface and then rub it in with the rag. If your surface is dirty, you have to clean it first because you don't want the dirt sealing in the vinyl with the protectant. I also do all the door gaskets, and because of the overspray, I just spray some on the rag and then wipe it over the door gasket. And that'll keep the door gaskets from drying out and cracking. So after about 10 minutes, you see the protectorant soaks in, so I always take a protectorant soaked rag and just wipe it in again. And that's about the gist of it. I want to thank you guys and gals for watching. Don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more great videos from David GPO.